Bern, and we're heading up country. Bern is absolutely lovely. Yeah. Dave said, that's it again.
Yeah, I like Bern a lot.
Yeah, Bern is well worth visiting. Now we're heading up country because we're going home in a few days. So we're going up towards Nancy. We won't get that far today. But as you can see, it's raining.
Back to rain again. And quite.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, it's been miserable since yesterday evening. But we're okay.
We just got back in time from Bern.
It just started raining as we got back to the campsite, and it really hammered it down.
The rest of the day.
We had the odd intermittent choice spell, but yeah, pretty much rain most of the time. Just a bit of countryside as we're going through.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, it was raining then, it's just decided it's going to ease off a bit.
Not much.
Not much, no, it's still raining.
We had a night thing this morning, didn't we? There's at the campsite there is one motorhome service point, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, just one.
But the guy had parked his motorhome across the service point, which is fine, and then went off to do something.
Yeah, he left it. So we were sat there waiting for him to come back before we could empty our water.
Just left it. His missus had to go and find him so he could move back. And then the only place to be able to turn round, he decided to park there as well.
He moved forward enough so we could use the service point and then parked where we needed to turn round after we'd finished to go out.
Idiot.
He was only a young lad.
Doesn't make any difference, he's still an idiot.
Yeah. Be able to see the hills a little bit, or maybe not, who knows.
Artlist.io.
327, then enter the tunnel.
Not that keen on tunnels. Get you where you need to
We
go.
had some big tunnels, didn't we, on the way down?
Yes, we did.
Music licensing reimagined.
Difference, does it? We've been in this tunnel for quite a while now, and it's well over a mile long. Yeah. Because we've still got another 400 metres to
4
go.
kilometres.
And it's raining hard.
Artlist.io.
Oh, and there's another tunnel. We're out the tunnel now. We're out the tunnels. Just climbing. Definitely climbing uphill.
Artlist.io.
And there's another tunnel. Yeah. It's not terribly interesting out there, but it's okay.
Music
See
licensing
quite a way.
reimagined.
Take the first exit.
Back into another tunnel. So,
He was adding up this morning how many countries we've got in the last.
yeah. If you count our trips in England and Scotland, by the time we get home from this trip, we'll have done 13 countries
At the
this year.
roundabout, take
Artlist.io.
the first exit to A16.
Not all in the motorhome, I might add. We did actually fly to Finland and Sweden.
Still a country.
Yes, still travelled there. And here we go into another tunnel.
Artlist.io.
Gearbox is still growling like a pig.
Yeah, we've got to get that done soon. Yeah. tunnel, yet another tunnel. Coming out the other end, I'm just hoping the weather's improved enough.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, we're coming up to the border in 14 kilometres. And here we go through.
Artlist.io.
I don't know how many there's been this morning. Loads.
We've done a few. It was coming through the tunnels. The whole van just steamed up instantly, didn't it?
It did.
And we've got everything trying to open the windows and trying to clear it. It was all on the outside.
Artlist.io.
So the last big tunnel I did, I put the aircon on, just put it on the screen, and it's
Yeah,
fine.
the aircon works better than anything in these tunnels.
Music licensing
Quite
reimagined.
mountainous, but not bad.
The roads are pretty empty, aren't they?
They are pretty empty this morning. Also, we don't know whether it's Saturday, maybe people stay at home a bit more on a rainy Saturday, or whether they're just normally quite empty. But it's been, I would say, a pleasure, but it's not been bad, has it?
Bern was very easy as well, wasn't it?
Yes, yeah, that was wonderful. Right, we're just coming up to the border of Switzerland and France.
Just have a look what that's Lawrence.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, this is the old border. Still a border control there?
Still border control, yeah. Just in case. Sure they stop.
Music licensing
Make
reimagined.
it worth their while. Yeah, got no choice. I'll border crossing. This way they just have to stop and get searched or whatever they need to
They've not
do.
really changed that at all, have they?
No. Might not be quite straight.
Artlist.io.
At least the sun's out soon.
Yeah.
Turn left onto Rue de l'Écluse, then take the first right onto Rue du Patis.
Turn left onto Rue de l'Écluse, then take the first right.
Artlist.io.
Down there, camping cars.
Turn right onto Rue du Patis.
Turn right onto Rue du Party.
They both pronounce them
Music
differently.
licensing reimagined.
Left onto Rue de l'Abattoir.
Well, as villages go,
In 500 meters, turn left onto Rue de l'Abattoir, then take the first right.
it's not what you call a busy place, is it? Pardon?
Villages are normally.
No,
This is
just-
probably maybe not the centre. Who knows? If it is, there's nothing here. I don't want to. It's only
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I was looking for a shop.
Turn left onto Rue de l'Abattoir, then take the first right.
This one by you, huh?
This one by you. It's not this building, is it?
Down here.
Artlist.io.
Turn right onto Liadi Le Port.
Oh, look at that. Exactly in the right.
Arriving at Port de Plaisance at Aire des Camping Cars des Charmes on the right.
Music licensing reimagined.
Happy days. We made it. We like camping cars.
Take the first right onto Pont des Chevres.
Up there, look, where those people are.
Artlist IO.
Right, this is going to be lovely soon. Isn't it?
Depends whether you want the grass or the gravel.
Turn
There's
right
gravel
onto
up there.
Pont des Chevres. Then take the first right onto Rue Maurice Barras.
Oh, is he waiting to go on there as well?
Artlist IO.
So here we are at Charm, and it is really pretty on the side of a river.
Howdy folks, we've made it to Charms, or Charms,
Charms,
Charms.
however. Charm, I think.
south of
Music licensing
Nancy.
South of Nancy.
south of Nancy. Nice little air, right next to the river. Turn around. So,
There's a background
no,
going out.
yeah, well, he's trying to find him, isn't he?
Oh, I see.
But he's gone wrong.
Yeah.
So, anyway, that's the bridge, as you can see, into the town. We came in this way. We're parked just there, which is quite handy.
And there's the river.
River's there. It's a river.
Nice river, quite wide.
Artlist IO.
We have walked down the side of the river, but we went over the other side of the
Yeah,
river
there's a
to walk
bridge.
down
There's a walkway over there. So this is pretty much it. Nice and quiet. I know there is a.
There's
road.
loads of spaces here.
Yeah. That was about 100.
Artlist IO.
Something like that anyway. So yeah, there's a walkway over there.
Yeah, and it goes both sides,
Yeah.
both ways.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're parked there with our
That's for Switzerland.
Switzerland.
We're now in France.
We're now in France, we don't need that
Music
anymore.
licensing
But we're
reimagined.
going to keep it just because we can. Yeah. So
They make them so you can't press them on, because if you pull them off, they'll fall to bits.
there we do. So Motorhome service point. It's like an old watery thing there, isn't it?
Yeah.
And your toilet dump spot there. As you can see, there's quite a lot of camper vans here already. And I think if you was a bit more with it, you'd get a lot more vans in as well. They're a bit closer together. But nobody wants to be. Yeah. And I think
Oh, that smells good.
it does smell nice, doesn't it? I think
Artlist
even
IO.
on some of the pictures I did see somebody. There's water as well. There's water on those as well. So
And it's just a 2-minute walk into town. There is a
Yeah.
laundrette just over the bridge if you want one.
Music
Yeah.
licensing reimagined.
yeah, it's all
Because
very.
obviously there's no laundry facilities here, but it was it €6 for a wash and €2.50 for a certain amount of time on the dryers if you want to wash anything here.
So there you go. That's our little air for
It's
the
quite
night.
big here.
Big air, yeah. Big 1970s then. So
Super, because it's all pretty much black.
Artlist
it is, yeah, pretty good. We leave. I know it smells good, doesn't it? Somebody's cooking tea and
We
we're
are
hungry.
hungry.
So tomorrow we are going up through or round Nancy, round Metz, into Luxembourg for a bit of cheap fuel, and then we back into Belgium, and we're going to stop somewhere not far from Chimay, and then we're going to go the next day and go and have a whiz round the Chimay track, which I haven't been there since about 1981, something like that. So quite a while ago. If I'd have still been riding my bike, my racing bike, that was one of the places I wanted to go and ride the bike. But never mind, it's never going to happen now.
You've got a moped.
Yeah, not quite the same. That's cooking there, look. I know.
Yeah.
And then we're going to
Ypres.
Ypres. So, and then next
Next Wednesday.
Next Wednesday
It's Saturday today, so we've got another 4 days.
another 4 days. So anyway, let's turn you around again.
Yeah.
So that's it for this little campsite thingy bob. Our sat-nav's packed up again. Not sat-nav.
No, it's not satellite.
Satellite's packed up again. It won't find diddly doodads. But the good news is my phone SIM card is working in the
We have nothing but problems with IT.
Wi-Fi,
Just
and that we're actually working. So anyway, so say bye-bye, Susie.
Bye-bye, Susie.
Bye-bye.
Music licensing reimagined.